Hello everyone, welcome to my place as Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Seychelles Running. This reading is going to be heart reading for everyone out there, because what happened was I started shuffling. I asked for all the protection and everything, and then this one card flipped, okay, slipped out of the deck, and which is amazing. I kind of get this message of like crab, C-R-A-B. Now, crab does go with a Cancerian, of course. So maybe someone who is a Cancerian listening to this reading or dealing with the one. However, this may be any sign because these are for all of you, okay? Collective, let's see. I'm sorry. I think someone knocked. Now, knocked may be literally knocking at the door, or most probably it is knocking on your phone, like kind of like someone is interested in talking to you. This particular card is very beautiful, okay, and we're going to see it and we're going to discover what is happening. But with the crab energy, I feel someone is very much interested in getting close to you and you also, because this is a vibe between both of you. We're going to figure out, but first we're going to see the bottom energy. I kind of get this, something is going to be justified, okay. You also have Justice card here with the Libra, so maybe Libra is listening or dealing, but I kind of get maybe Librans are here justifying certain situation or as an energy form here. I am getting the vibe of like something will be justified, okay. Now the card that is very mysterious and beautiful is Two of Cups energy, okay. High vibration, beauty, and this is something connected with someone who is no longer going to be single for some cases, but this is also reunion or something that was destined to happen, like union. Now in this time frame it is going to happen. They really care for you, the one who is around you or the one who is about to knock at the door as well. I think I should keep the title as knock at the door, but there is also crab kind of energy coming, and to me it is saying someone is keeping feeling safe to themselves, or they are overprotective of you, or they will be, okay, because this is energy which is going to happen, like kind of like they're giving me next step. It's kind of energy that is coming like that. Two of Cups, it's going to be very shiny, bright, and this is certain kind of confirmation coming. Both of you are happy. Energies involved here, they are happy. Someone who is meeting you after some time here, coming as in reunion form as well. Like this energy, this knock at the door, this knock of the notification kind of a message or something, is someone is happy to see you. You are happy to see them, okay. This is beautiful. Let's see. So a justified situation is going to prevail. I also see like someone is a homecoming kind of energy, like they are meeting you after long or they are contacting you after long. There's also scales balanced, and there's also air sign. So one Libra, yes, but maybe Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, okay, because these are for all of you. There may be Virgo as well, but I feel someone is on the lookout here. And Aquarius is also coming here with a silver lining and a shine, okay. For some specific, because this is Two of Cups energy, I feel like someone is about to reveal what is in their heart or in their world, and this may be with the water sign. It's like high expression rate, and also it's a water sign, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces might be involved, because these are general, you all know that. But with the world energy, I feel like something is approaching you, and this is going to be gorgeous. Whoa, okay. I'm hearing hard time. I feel like it was hard for any one of you, like both of you possible, or for one particular energy here, in order to compete, like competition kind of, or in order to whatever they were struggling through in their life right now, or still this is what they are overcoming. So it was difficult for them, okay. So it's so kind of like a competition or challenge. This was the blockage possible here to come to this reunion, but this is beautiful, this is gorgeous, okay. To be exact, wow, this is going to be equal. I feel both of you want it, and this is going to happen. There's certain kind of celebration happening, equality happening. I see like affection is from both sides. Six of Pentacles is the ultimate happiness, okay, connected with this vibe. There's a commitment coming. Even in the reunion phase, it is commitment coming. It's something that is going to be justified here. something that will be returned to you. There's also, for some cases, because these are general readings, so if it is connected with your work situations, it's a high time kind of like collaboration happening that will make you very happy. Some of you, both of you work for the same thing, like, okay, or same business is there, or same freelancing work is there. You people work together, okay, as partners, and this is what is going to bring money and everything. That's what you're celebrating. Certain kind of thing that you have achieved till date, you're going to celebrate that. Interesting. There's a callback. There's a callback kind of like giving each other that equality, that equal platform where you both will be here in order to relish the moment and discuss on the stuff. Looking at the crab energy again, I'm telling you, this was like someone was keeping a safe distance here, you or the other energy, and keeping safe distance for various reasons. Like, now is the time to celebrate, something is coming here. And I feel with the crab, they are protective of you, they're concerned, they might be keeping an eye on you, they might be catching feelings, and they might be trying to keep distance for reasons, okay? That's what I see. Trust factors, trust issues, okay? Now here you go, Seven of Swords. Someone being smiling, knowing that they might lose out on you or lose out on this connection. Pretending, camouflaging, lying, but exactly possible they might be having some plans, or they had plans to reveal it further in future. I feel like someone who lied to you or did the cover up or whatever they did here for this, okay, like it never happened kind of energy, if that was a like crab energy kind of, in a way of like being protective, and they were not letting out of those feelings, is the reason that they might be having some like plans or other things to reveal to you now. I know this energy is really weird, mysterious. I feel like this is this person's energy. Who this person is, you or the other energy, okay? So if you're listening to this reading and you might be feeling like, oh my god, okay, oh my god, what? Distant relationship, distant communication kind of vibe. I feel like this is this person. Anyways, this Queen of Swords, okay, is attached. This person doesn't believe this person, how it fits you, okay? Now this is Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Libra, I said Aquarius as well, and Gemini, just an air vibe. But someone is coming with the fact of saying like, me love you, me like you, me want to tell you, okay? So it's about me, okay? Maybe you dealt with someone who had always this problem like me. They were not always in the full frame, like not coming totally in the frame. You were there, they were not. A problem of like communicating, okay? Now, this person is watching you. This person is watching you. They have something to tell you. I think like the energy is like, get ready for something. They've been watching you, like seeing you, watching you from far, like a crab protecting themselves and keeping distance, and looking what you're achieving kind of energy. If that goes, it fits you. And then looking forward to have this reunion with you, okay? Some of you are in the energy of like more money, kind of what you are achieving, like in passion and work and focus, like goal, mission, okay? That's what. It's good. I mean, we need money. We need money. We need money. Some of you are contacting or coming in contact with Queen of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe. Maybe one listening, one dealing. However, this energy format is very confident, okay? Like as if it's giving me the vibe of like someone was already aware that this is gonna come, okay? Now, I see a lot of you will have talk with the person, and I see like this person is coming from here in here, to talk to you. Like I feel like both of you now have certain kind of like a throne, designation, achievement, specialization, improvement, you know, that kind of energy. It's the energy of like two opposites, okay, and it's like when reunion or union happens, it's like a melting point kind of. So passionate, infinite kind of energy when you know that you both belong to one another. Let's see. For some cases, this is going to be Six of Cups energy, resurgence. That goes with the reunion as well. Okay, let me see. This person is possible Queen of Cups as well, because my eyes were on Seven of Swords. So this may be again Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone who might have done the pretend zone or lied to you or cheated to you even, if they did. However, this person is coming, the picture of like this is the one who is following you. Hardly you have communicated with them in this time frame, Two of Swords, or you both did the cutoff, or you are just not talking. It's not always necessary that you need to block someone in real sense, not necessary, it's just mind game. If you did it, then you did it, okay? I feel someone lied to you about their feelings, like they had, and they never told you the reality. Even if they told you, they were not that serious about when they told you that. There is an upcoming event, Knight of Wands, with certain kind of expression you may expect from this person who was, I'm hearing the word uninvited as well, like kind of like you won't expect it and the crab is coming, like kind of protective and under the shell and all that stuff. But this is your next phase. So this may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius you once knew. Now they might have achieved something in order. Like they are coming in the next phase here. Okay? That's what I see. Upcoming event. There's a talk session happening here. I feel like, okay, look, 2 to 3 important things. I'm just going to say, I had eyes on Two of Cups, okay? So first thing is King of Cups. That's a confirmation. Some of you might be pairing up with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or maybe this is the one listening. However, Two of Cups is someone who is in love with you, adore you. They might be with you. They might be away from you for some time. They might have lied and never accepted that, yes, I love you, kind of, or I like you kind of energy. But this person is definitely had plans and still is coming with some big plans because they have Ace of Pentacles energy. There's approval, there's approach, next phase. Maybe work related but also love related, definitely, because they have something to tell you here. Look, Ace of Pentacles, there's a serious something, sincere something, S square is in their mind, okay, regarding this meeting. If someone is asking you, they want to meet you, if they are onto the fact like I need to talk to you, they need to talk about this, okay? For many of you, it's going to be Six of Cups. Again, resurgence is here, definitely. So it is about love coming back, or wanting to reunite with you somehow. Work related, love related, both related. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Let me use my own deck. Use my own deck. Some of you are not even aware they're watching you. I'm telling you that. I have this energy of like really, 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 really boom. Okay? Someone is coming with big plan. Now the plan is not, I don't think it's negative. It's just about their feelings. Okay? Sugar and salt. It's kind of like Aquarius Leo vibe, or anyone compatible. Okay? I just got that name, so I just said that. It's like a fire and air. Boom. For example, sugar and salt. Like feeling of like never gonna happen, will gonna happen, may gonna happen, or maybe it's like sugar and salt, both you're going to add and make something out of that. You know, both of them dissolve well in the water. Something is going to be before your eyes, okay? Sweet and sour moments may come up, or sweet and sour moments may arise when you are going to communicate with the person, or someone will say, talk to me, okay? Something is going to be before your eyes. not taking calls. Now you may do that, I don't know what you're going to do, but not taking calls possible. You're not going to take their calls, okay, and they're going to ride all the way to come and be before your eyes, kind of. Or not taking calls happened possible prior, however this fits you. Okay, it's not possible, it is not worth kind of energy. It's possible someone who never took your calls is going to be before your eyes with the cup. Interesting reading. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.